Hi YouTube friends, my name is Keisha and I'm here with you with another hair tutorial. This time it is single braids, so basically jumbo braids, super long. This hair is about 26 inches, so it basically hits my bum. It took me about 16 hours to do this hair. Honestly, it's a long time, but it's totally worth it. Just take your time, give yourself at least a day to do it. It's very easy. Super worth it because, hey, you save a lot of money, and with what's going on in the world, it's nice to be able to learn how to do this type of style by yourself. So basically I explained everything and how I do each braid in the video, and I show you exactly what products I'm using. So if you want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like and share. And you can also follow me on Instagram, which I will put over here. I have two Instagram accounts. I have a health and fitness Instagram, and I also have a beauty Instagram. So if you want, you can follow both. So if you want to learn how to do these amazing long single braids, just keep on watching. Okay, so I divided all the hairs about 1 inch, a finger inch apart. So I'm starting on the very bottom. So I just made about a medium part, small parting. The braids are not going to be too big. Adding some moisturizer and some oil because my hair gets really dry. So I parted my hair on the bottom there on the right, as you can see, and I'm going to take the first hair, wrap it around, go under and over my natural hair, holding it really tight towards my scalp. And then, as you can see here, I'm just splitting one of the hairs and attaching it to my natural hair so that I have 3 decently even hairs to create the braid. And then I'm just going under and over, and then I'm braiding it downwards, keeping it tight towards my scalp, under and over. But yeah, the back doesn't have to be completely perfect because nobody's not going to see it, because I know the back could be the most challenging part of the braids, but don't worry about it. As long as they're all pretty even, it's fine. Focus more on the front. And now I'm just braiding it all the way down. I had to hold it with my mouth because it's so long, and I want to make sure that I don't want to keep bending my head to kind of braid all the way down. And the first braid is done, as you can see here. Really nice. So I've done the first bottom part. They're not too small, but I would say probably medium type of size braids. And I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video now. Stop talking, and I'm just doing my second row here, parting my hair, putting some oil and gel in my hair. And I'm going to be doing the same process.
my dance, make it hurt. My dance, make it hurt.
So here is the halfway mark almost. I just wanted to show you guys how it's looking. As you can see, the back is not perfect at all, but it doesn't matter because the more braids that you add in from the top, nobody's not going to see. It's going to cover it. So just focus on the top of your head and the front. You want to make sure those braids are nice and tight. So that's what I'm pretty much doing. I'm just concentrating more on the front because that's what everyone is going to see. Make sure those look really good. And yeah, it doesn't really matter how the back looks. I know it could be a bit complicated, but you can just do it as long as it's like just even size braids. It should be all good. Yeah.
My dance, make it hurt.
Alright, so this is my last braid. This is the finishing piece now. Nice and finished. I was so relieved at this point. I was so tired, but look at this. It looks great. It's worth it. Nice and luxurious, long, thick braids. It's gonna last a while. Saves you a lot of time in the morning. Let's look at that. So even though you spent a long time doing it, you know, you're gonna have a lot of time in the morning. It's totally worth it. You will be finished, don't worry. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and subscribe.